A tortoise is a land-dwelling reptile. Due to their long lifespan, slow movement, sturdiness, and wrinkled appearance, they are an emblem of longevity and stability in many cultures around the world. A tortoise lives up to 400 years. The real reason of longevity is they breathe only 3 to 4 breaths per minute. Paramahansa Yoganand's book, Autobiography of a Yogi. In his book, Yoganand speaks of how certain species that breathe fewer times a minute tend to live longer than species that breathe a comparably greater number of times per minute. Dogs take 40 to 50 breaths per minute, and a tortoise only 3 to 4 breaths per minute. And we humans take 12 to 20 breaths per minute. And again, that depends on the temperament, isn't it? Well, a full yogic breath is experienced through deep, full inhalations and long, slow exhalations. When the mind is focused on the breath and the nervous system is calm, there is less stress on the body, and then it experiences better digestion and elimination. Fewer and fuller breaths helps to reduce one's appetite and keep the emotions and senses under control, rather than trapping yourself in a frenetic form of breathing. Emulate the slower, deeper habits of the tortoise and work on your breathing habits to take 5 to 7 breaths per minute at least, and gradually then you can come down to 3 to 4 breaths per minute. When practiced over time, this habit will lead to a much longer disease-free life. So breathe less, live longer. Try it out, friends, and enjoy life's every step mindfully. Now let's see how this can be done. Begin by sitting, or for that matter even lying down comfortably. Take a long breath, inhaling slowly and deeply until you feel the air inside your neck. Now swallow your breath by taking the air in your neck and forcing it down as if you're swallowing a piece of food. Exhale deeply and slowly through your nostrils and not your mouth. Swallow the saliva in your mouth. Following the breath, move your tongue around the inside of your mouth to collect it and swallow several times. Such breaths, initially you should start with 7, at least 7. Or maybe you can do it like that. When we are practicing 4 breaths per minute, how you can do is inhale for a count of 5. See, for example, if you're inhaling, in your mind, start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, hold this breath inside for a count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, exhale it for a count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe what you can do is you can start a timer and you can check it out in 1 minute Are you going to complete the four breaths? So that's how also you can do it. So friends, do incorporate this tortoise pattern of breathing in your lifestyle along with other meditations and pranayams, and live a longer, healthier, beautiful life. As you know, we live only once, so why not live it mindfully? Friends, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, because your likes gives me lots and lots of encouragement to do more such innovative videos. Thank you. God bless you.